Hi everyone! I'm going to talk to you about shampoo and conditioner today. So the shampoo and conditioner I use on myself is the Oribe Brilliance Shine. So this is what the bottles look like. These are the liter size, so use your imagination. The normal sizes are smaller. So that's shampoo and that's conditioner. So Brilliance and Shine is exactly what it is. It's brilliant and it adds shine. So like I said, I have a lot of hair. My hair is extremely healthy. So I need moisture, but then it weighs it down because I have a lot of it. This is the only shampoo I've found where I still could hold my volume. It adds shine. My hair feels moisturized. It does have keratin in it a little bit to help repair hair. This is pretty much like the shampoo for anybody. If you get keratin treatments, it's great. If you have blonde hair, it's amazing because it will help repair it and add shine since blonde does not hold shine. If you always feel like your hair is dull, especially people who don't get color done, there's this weird thing with natural colored hair where like it doesn't always look shiny, even though it's your natural hair, so it should be pretty shiny. This is like the #1 product for that. I'm not going to tell you how to shampoo and condition your hair. Like, we all kind of know how, but I'll give you some tips. Tip 1, don't shampoo every day. And when you are shampooing, just really shampoo like your scalp area. That's where it really needs it the most. Maybe like once a week, you could do your ends, but really just the scalp area. And when you're doing conditioner, I would wring out your hair and get as much water out as possible. And you only really want to put conditioner from like here down. So like think of it like if you're gonna put it in a ponytail, everything outside of like the long part of the ponytail, that's what you would put conditioner on. And rule of thumb with all Oribe products, they're very condensed. So every single product has their little logo symbol on it. And the rule of thumb is do not use more than how big the symbol is. So when I use this conditioner and shampoo, I use about half of what the actual logo size is. You don't need that much. So those are my favorite shampoos and conditioners that I love the most. I think they're great for all types of hair. You can get that on parlorh.com and use the code in all caps Crystal with a C, CRYSTALB 1520. It's also in my bio if you forget. I love it. Every client has used it, loves it. Who doesn't want a little bit more shine in their hair? That's honestly all I really have in my hair right now. So I hope you love it. Talk to you guys soon.